Dear students, today's our topic of discussion is polytene chromosome. Polytene chromosomes along with the lamp brush chromosomes are the most largest type of chromosomes. Polytene chromosome is found in a diverse set of insects, plants, animals and unicellular organisms. Polytene chromosomes were first discovered in 1881 in insects by Balbiani. Polytene chromosomes develop from the chromosomes of diploid nuclei by successive duplication of each chromosomal element, that is chromatid, without their segregation. Here we have to keep it in mind that whenever a cell undergoes division, generally a cell divides into two cells, that is known as mitotic division. Here before the division, every chromosome duplicates itself and both the chromosome remains attached at the centromere, and these are known as sister chromatids. But here how the polytene chromosomes develops due to the duplication of chromosome, and the cell do not divide into two cells. All the duplicated chromosomes remain together in the same cell, and this increases the ploidy of the cell, and in it the polytene chromosomes along with its sister chromatids. In polytene chromosome, the sister chromatids remains attached along its entire length and then forms a thick chromosome thread that is known as polytene chromosome. The newly formed chromatids remain attached or associated lengthwise and together form a cable-like structure referred to as polytene chromosomes. Regions with high DNA content are known as chromomeres. As we know that whenever the DNA or the chromosomes are staining program is carried out, some regions of the chromosomes get darkly stained, that is known as heterochromatic regions, and some regions are lightly stained, that is known euchromatic region. And here the darkly stained region is known as that portion of the polytene chromosome has the high DNA content or thick DNA. As already discussed, that a polytene chromosome is the juxtaposition of homologous pair of chromosomes and then form a thin thread of chromosomes. In a polytene chromosomes there are some light and dark bands. The dark bands are separated by some light bands. These are known as interbands region or interchromomeric regions. The alternation of compacted and decompacted regions, that is compacted means that is the dark bands, and decompacted that is light band regions of chromosomes, that is bands and interbands, appears in polytene chromosomes as black and white transverse strips. Polyteny has been most studied in the salivary gland cells of Drosophila larvae. About 95% of DNA in polytene chromosomes is in bands, that is the dark bands, and 5% is in interbands. And the most important point about the polytene chromosome is that both bands and interbands, it means both light and dark portion of the polytene chromosomes contains genes, and individual polytene chromosome bands can unfold and refold as a unit. Here this figure indicates that these are the polytene chromosomes, these are thick, and one can observe these are some dark and light bands along the entire length of these polytene chromosomes. This is an enlarged picture of a polytene chromosome. These are some light and dark bands as represented, and this is the portion of the polytene chromosome where a dark band or the DNA of this dark band gets open, and this is known as the chromosomal puff. It means this portion is now relaxed or open to form the necessary proteins, and in another time this particular portion will be refolded or will be compacted, and another portion will be unfolded to form the necessary protein.